How to fix Facebook Reels video no sounds issue on iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your Facebook and navigate to the Reels page. Now play the video. If you're not getting the sound, what you have to do is launch your control center. Over here, you're gonna find this volume option. Increase it to the fullest. Likewise, close this and launch your settings app. Navigate to the option sound on haptics. Now, make sure you have disabled for the option of silent mode. Click on the option haptics and set it to always play. Likewise, enable for the option change with buttons. Then head back, navigate to the option accessibility, head over to the option audio and visual. Then scroll down. Make sure you have set this balance to the middle. Now you can head back, launch your Facebook. Now you can log out of your account and again log in back. For that, head over to the menu page, click on the option log out and click on log out again. Then again provide your credentials and log in back. Likewise, update your Facebook app. For that, launch your app store, search for the app Facebook. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. If none of these solutions work, what you have to do is completely delete your Facebook app. For that, press and hold on the Facebook app, click on the option delete app, click on delete. Then launch your app store, search for the app Facebook and then download it. With this solution, your Facebook Reels video sound issue will be solved on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.